How's it, everyone? Another day, another pack, another booster pack opening. Booster pack of Paramount War, OPO2. Is there a manga in this one? No. Let's find out if we can hit a manga. Would be nice to hit a manga. 3 months and counting since we started this? Yeah, I believe so. Tutorial. And bam! Starting off with Yamakaji. Thatch. So sad. Teach. Land of Wano. Tashigi. Crocodile. Usopp. Emoji. Solitaire. Daifugu. Squad. Guy that hit Blackbeard. Masked Deuce for the rare. And Newgate for the SR. Not bad, pretty good. Paramount War. Shoot, thanks for tuning in. Shoots, mahalos.